Hello folks. Now before we get started on the review Behind Change to Stay Ahead, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So click that first link in the description below. Now my internet coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. Bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. And bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is crucial. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. You can earn up to $186 a day in just 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's get on with the review. Who are the vendors behind Change to Stay Ahead? Well, they're 2 well-known product creators and vendors in the self-help niche, Jonathan Tang and Jason Yu. They provide instant content solutions to busy internet marketers. They are behind the brand Profit Experts. And Profit Experts have over 28,000 sales on Warrior Plus. I know this is a product you should seriously consider for your coaching process. In a nutshell, Change to Stay Ahead is a 10-week ready-made coaching program that you can rebrand and resell as your own. The course includes simple exercises to change your life for the better, be the change you want to see. Change brings growth. Change is the only constant in life. Change the only way to stay ahead. Changing your habits. Change in the workplace. 5 ways to change can improve your life. How to deal with change in relationships. And how to make positive changes in your life. The modules look like this. Module 1 is a ready-to-sell 10-week coaching session. And you receive both a doc and a PDF file. Module 2 is a pro e-cover graphics. And Module 3 is professional sales and delivery pages. Module 4 is lead capture and thank you pages. Module 5 is a done-for-you pre-sale report with graphics. Module 6 is affiliate center page. 7 is a promotional emails. 8, you get 9 promotional banner graphics and 10 action guides. And Module 10, you get 10 checklists. A fairly complete module with this particular program. Now the front end is only $14.01. And there are also several upsells and downsells, so watch for them. And I believe that this one really looks like a winner. Now, Here is something that is unusual, but an important factor with this particular program. You get free unlimited updates to the content and the sales modules, so that you never have to pay again for product updates, because they will be free to download with your PLR license. So grab this one while you can at this low price. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. Now, I have found that this particular program is an absolute winner because I have gained substantial income as a result of it. And here are my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Thank you for watching my review. See you next time.